Training was just the beginning. The real test starts when the bullets are real.
You made it through training. You survived the pain, the exhaustion, the breaking point. You stand there now, in uniform, thinking you've become a soldier. But the truth is, you haven't even started yet. Because the moment you step into the real world, everything changes. This isn't a training ground anymore. No instructors, no second chances. Just you, your weapon, and decisions that actually matter. You move through unfamiliar streets. Every shadow feels like a threat. Every sound makes your heart beat faster. This is where fear becomes real.
You thought training was hard, but nothing prepares you for this. The pressure, the responsibility, the constant awareness that one mistake can cost a life. You don't sleep properly. You don't relax. Your mind never turns off. And slowly, you start to change. The way you think, the way you react, the way you see the world.
And then it happens. A moment you can't prepare for. Everything speeds up and slows down at the same time. You don't think, you just act. Every hour of training, every second of pain leads to this one decision. And when it's over, there's no celebration, just silence. Because this is the part no one talks about. The weight you carry after it's done. The faces you remember. The moments that replay in your head again and again and again. You go back home, but something feels different. The world looks the same, but you don't.
Because becoming a soldier isn't just about learning how to fight. It's about learning how to live with everything that comes after. The silence, the memories, the weight. You walked in as a normal man. You survived training. But now you carry something most people will never understand. And that is what makes you a soldier.